In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website with Site123. So Site123 allows us to create a free website without actually paying money. The first step is search Site123 in Google and then hit the link. As you can see, this is the website, and then we can create our account by hitting start here. So here you have to select what type of website do we want. So let's say we want like a music store. A music website. We can add a name, so let's make it music website by me. Go to final step. We have to sign up, so I'm going to do that as well, like that. Start my website, and now it's going to make the template for this website, and as you can see, this is how it looks right now. So we can change some things. So we can change we can add a logo. We can change it. This text here, which we can do right here. So let's say I want to make it music live. I can do it like that. We can change the text here. We can change the background. So if you want to change the background, just hover over it, go to background, and here select any background you want. So let's select this one, for example. As you can see, it changes right away. This is just a template that you can easily edit. This is a default theme, and I think Site123 did a really good job on making the builder as easy as possible. So if you want to publish your website, you can go ahead and hit publish right here, hit yes. Now we can select a domain. So we can select a premium domain right here, like musicwebsitebymee.nl.com. So that's what we can do. We can pay for it, but we also have a dummy domain, which is free. This is a subdomain. If you go to it, as you can see, this is live without actually paying anything. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.